Welcome back to Tracy's Natural Health. The spring is here and so are the black flies and mosquitoes, which are eating me alive. So I thought this would be a good time to show you how to make a natural insect repellent. Ditch the DEET and give this one a try because it works. It's free of a lot of harsh chemicals like parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances and preservatives, and animal-based products. As soon as you hear the word natural with the word insect repellent, you probably think there's no way this is going to work. But I've been making this recipe probably for about 3 years now. We obviously live in a wooded area, and a few years ago my husband and I were having to cut down a lot of trees in the woods in April and May, which is major black fly mosquito season, and I used this insect repellent. And I ended up, over the course of probably about 6 weeks, only getting one bite, which for me is monumental. So it does work, and it is quite easy to make. Combine the ingredients in a 4-ounce glass spray bottle. Add 10 drops of Purification, 10 drops of Cedarwood, 10 drops of Lavender, 10 drops of Citronella, 10 drops of Eucalyptus Globulus, and 10 drops of peppermint. Add 3 tablespoons of water and 5 tablespoons of witch hazel. I like to use an alcohol-free version of witch hazel to prevent my skin from drying out or becoming irritated. Shake well before using. I use Young Living essential oils for this recipe due to their purity and seed-to-seal promise. Because I live in the woods, I usually double this recipe because I go through a lot of it. So I usually make mine in an 8-ounce spray bottle. Just spray it onto your skin or clothing to repel insects such as flies, all types of flies, including black flies, mosquitoes, gnats, ticks, which is also an issue. If you want to have added tick protection, you can add in some geranium essential oil or palo santo. This insect repellent is safe to use with young children and pets. I usually would suggest to spray it onto their clothing or their extremities and to keep it away from their face. But I would use smaller ratios of essential oils for young children. You could also diffuse some of these oils if you were sitting out on your deck and it's major mosquito season, or you're having a few people over post-COVID. Then you could diffuse these oils on your deck for added protection. The cost to make a 4-ounce bottle of this insect repellent is about $7.50. And if you added the geranium in for the added tick protection, it would be about $9.50 a bottle. Thanks for watching today. If you are interested in purchasing any of these essential oils or learning more about this recipe, reach out to me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.